All right, so today I'm going to go over how to reset the Echo Dot. So it's going to be pretty easy. You're going to find the minus button, and then you're also going to find the mute button here. And you're going to want to make sure that it has power first, which we can see right there. And once you see that it has power, we're going to hold down the mute button and the subtraction button for 30 seconds. So I'm pushing those down. And you're going to see a yellow light pop up. Even though that pops up, we're going to keep holding it. So you can see that yellow light there popped up. And we're going to keep holding it until we see a blue light. So there we go. I'm going to let go. And then from there, it's going to start spinning in circles, and that's going to start the reset process until you hear Alexa let you know that she's ready to go and she's been reset. So there you go. You got the spinning dot, and then just to kind of speed up the process for you, the Alexa is going to let you know that she's in setup mode, and that's how you reset an Echo Dot. Ways you'd use this is if someone gave you an Echo Dot and it was already attached, you'd want to reset it, or for some reason if you'd ever want to start over, that would be another reason why you'd reset. So that's how you reset the Echo Dot. Let me know if you have any questions.